Though perfectly suited for the city, the Dodge Journey is always ready when you need a little quality time off the grid. Wherever you take it, the Journey brings comfort along for the ride for up to 7 people. A 173 horsepower, 2.4L, 4-cylinder dual VVT engine powers the American Value Package, SE, SXT, and Crossroad models, in conjunction with a 4-speed automatic transmission. It gets an EPA estimated 26 mpg on the highway, plus it can get over 500 highway miles per tank. The mid-range SXT gives you the choice between the 2.4L or an incredible 283 horsepower Pentastar V6 engine to get your heart racing. The V6 is the standard engine in the Limited and RT. The SE, SXT, Limited, and RT can also be purchased with optional all-wheel drive. Further, all models come with auto stick that gives you clutchless manual shifting for more exciting drives. Standard equipment for the Journey includes items like a 4.3-inch touchscreen AM/FM radio with CD player, a USB port and audio input jack, push-button start, in-floor storage in the second row, a covered storage bin in the rear cargo area, and 17-inch wheels. Dependent on the trim you select, option possibilities include 3-zone automatic air conditioning, 19-inch wheels, leather seating, third-row seats, flip and stow compartment, Uconnect hands-free communication network, navigation, 6 premium speakers with subwoofer and a 368-watt amplifier, a rear-view camera, and ParkSense parking assist. Also, SiriusXM satellite radio is an option you can purchase on all trims. Your safety has been considered too with standard traction control, an array of airbags, anti-lock 4-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, stability control, roll mitigation, and a tire pressure monitoring sensor.